Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today I'm gonna explain, as always, what happened. So let's see what we had today. Okay, so DXY was a pretty nice guide, as we had this previous weekly high being taken. It's true that I don't really like this previous weekly high, but of course there's liquidity, so yeah, I have to take it, and it is what it is. But obviously we have ground liquidity up here, which we never took, but well, it's the one that I will look, and maybe this is previous weekly high too. Okay, so seeing that we took that, of course I was looking for sales on the USD pairs, more or less. It depends on what I see there too, but well, it's a guide more or less. Okay, so let's see Euro USD. In this case, we took this previous daily low here with a clean break. It went up and then boom, it pushed down fast to take the previous weekly low. At some point, I wanna look for some pattern or setup that gives me an entry for a continuation or for a trade to the liquidity, but I have to think about that, okay? Because maybe sometimes it will do this, but sometimes it will continue higher, so it makes me doubt, basically. And well, here we had this clear seller's liquidity and it went down. Maybe this type of trades I can look for them close to the previous weekly low, or well, the run liquidities, where, well, yeah, I don't know. I have to think about it, okay? And then after taking all of this shit, I wanted to trade here, but it's out of timing. We had no break of extractor. The break of extractor was right here with the run liquidity on M5. So no trades for me here on EU today. Okay, let's see GU. On GU, we had this previous daily low being taken. I wasn't sure about looking for buys. I wanted to, but because we had a week here, but I wasn't sure, so I didn't really look for it. The run liquidity on M5, it was here more or less, and the break of extractor here was up here. Yeah, so I didn't really like it, and I just was waiting for this run liquidity to be taken, and it took that right now. So no trades for me, of course. It's 8 in the night, so yeah, 8 p.m. USDJPY, here we had a trade today. Previous weekly high being taken and another previous weekly high being taken. So of course for me there's a lot of liquidity. We had a break of extractor to the downside. I don't know if you know it, but I don't really like to trade the first break of extractor usually, because it's fake normally. So I had to trade it because we had raw liquidity on M1, we had a mitigation, we had all the confirmations, and I traded, of course. The trade went down. I closed break even on 50% more or less here because it reacted and I wanted to close it here. And then I was expecting this relevant liquidity on M5 to be taken. It went close. I didn't close anything here. Maybe with the break of extractor I should have closed here something. I didn't study it, so I can't do something that I don't know. And then it continued higher to take this round liquidity in M5, break of extractor here, round liquidity in M5, and well, with the timing, in this case, it went down, it exploded to the downside, and it took this round liquidity in M5. But yeah, in this case, we had all of the mitigations, but I don't like to trade that, more or less something like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like this, but I don't really like it, okay? So yeah, it's okay. USDCHF, in this case, we took previous daily high here, well, liquidity in H1 here, that took this rally liquidity on H1 from this break here. So we had rally liquidity on H1 down here, which it took now, and previous daily low, and in this case previous daily high here. And of course I was looking for a sell, break of structure here, and well, I didn't have a proper entry here, so this for me is not a confirmation, of course, and it's not a second engulfing candle, so no trade for me. And then it came back, it took the round liquidity in M5, break of structure, out of timing, and down we go to take the round liquidity in M5, and now this round liquidity on H1, and let's see if it takes the previous daily low. So fuck me, no opportunities here on USD CHF, even though I like it, but well. And finally, to end this day, USD CAD, which it was all day ranging, rival liquidity H1 here, but no opportunity to trade. We had these liquidities here, and of course this previous daily low here, but there was no trade for me after taking this previous weekly high. So on M5, yeah, we took this with a week, but no continuation trade for me, so yeah, it's okay. So well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.